Welcome back to the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. Now, this is the awesome Lavender version with a 6 GB RAM and a 128 GB storage. So let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. So as usual, when you first open the box, you do see the phone immediately. And again, this is the awesome Lavender, and this is how it looks like. It does have a sort of glass backing, making it more shiny whenever it's reflecting light. And then at the very top box, you should have a smaller box inside, like so. And when you remove it, you'll have the default items that are normally available. So you'll have the SIM ejector tool. You will have paperwork inside this box, as well as the charging cable. And so let's go ahead and just take a look at the phone itself. So again, this is the awesome Lavender with 6 GB RAM, 128 GB storage. And when we remove this cover, this is how the screen looks like. So stick around for more videos that I will be doing for this A37 5G. If you need guidance on how to use it, or you'd just like to know the top tips and tricks whenever it comes to this specific phone, feel free to just subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.